Yeah, my engine just went out. Okay, let's go to glide speed. Glide speed, 65 knots. 1 notch of flaps. I'm going to keep her quarter sharp runner down. We'll go a little faster. St. Clair traffic, Cessna 90 Hotel Alpha, turning final for 4 St. Clair traffic, engine outage, simulation.
Oakland Troy traffic, stationary 908 Tangos 9 to the northwest, inbound for landing 10 Oakland Troy.
I get my glide speed so I can glide there because I need to go too short. Glide, okay. Alright, I think I have the runway, so I'm going to start putting her down. Power's been off, simulated engine outage, here I go. Flare her, flare. Alright, a little more. There she is. Alright, she's down. Alright, and I just did a simulated outage, engine outage. Successfully made it. All passengers survived at St. Clair International Airport. Thanks for watching. Alright, now I'm going to head back to Romeo.
Well, I'm at Romeo traffic. I'm at the end of the 45. I'm about ready to turn downwind. If you can deviate, let me through. 68 Whiskey, Romeo.
90 Hotel Alpha, deviating to the east. Romeo traffic. Currently at the end of 18.
Okay, Romeo traffic, I have the traffic in sight. I'm turning left downwind for the left 36.
Romeo traffic, Cessna 900 Hotel Alpha, turning final for 36 Romeo traffic.
Traffic, Cherokee 240, come Whiskey, enter under 45 for left downwind, 36 clear. Meeting Tusky traffic, Cherokee 240, Whiskey is on the left downwind for runway 28,